Y'all, we are back in Dubai
Doors opening.
for a little bit over 12 hours and then
Going up.
finally home sweet home. So this is a one bedroom?
This is a studio.
A studio.
Let me just check if there's some lights.
Okay, decent sized bathroom. Nice. Is this similar to the one you have?
No, I don't have my property split like that.
Okay.
A lot of like even Chiragos are here probably here. Everyone's what like all the managers are here as well.
Oh, Pranav has his one is here?
Yeah.
His studio?
Yes.
Oh, it has a nice balcony. Oh, this is a studio, so this would be where your bed would be.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, this is not a bad view. I feel like a balcony in Dubai is a must. It's
Yeah.
like a must. Anytime I get a hotel, I need to have a balcony. Is this for this property?
No, so that's the map. That's the next property.
Okay, okay.
That's the building. That's this building.
Oh, okay, okay.
But okay, you see this balcony?
Yeah.
That is a one bedroom.
One bedroom. It's a bigger balcony too.
So it's that one's about 865 square feet. It views towards this side. It has an open kitchen. Same, one separate washroom, one
So
washroom.
the kitchen is not like this. It's more open.
Yeah. So this one is like a U-shaped kitchen.
You said U-shaped?
U.
U-shaped.
This is a U basically.
Okay.
Right. So that kitchen's much wider going forward, and it's sort of like this, but with the open window into the living area.
And then
so
where's the bedroom? That side or this side?
that's.
Okay.
So I mean, just to give you a fair understanding of the one bedroom, imagine these. So these are two studios next to each other, right?
Yeah.
So imagine this as the.
This is a
kitchen and the
beautiful
hall.
building.
Thank you.
You guys renovated everything?
No, this was not us. We renovated the inside of the apartment.
Inside, okay, so you made a natural tile. I love it.
So imagine this as your hall, and imagine this as your living.
Oh, okay.
That's what it
so it looks like
sort
there's
of
with one door
Yeah.
to here, and then the one bedroom has its own bathroom.
Yes.
So it's one bedroom, two baths, right?
Yeah, 1.5. It's a powder room.
Oh, so the bedroom, the bathroom in the hallway is the powder room.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's one bathroom, like with the shower area, everything, and then the other one's just
A powder room,
hand
with
wash.
sink and toilet. Yeah.
Sink and toilet.
I was just in China and we bought doors from my mom's property, so I'm like looking at the doors. I love the doors. The detailing is really, really nice. Yo, this is not bad, y'all. Look at this. I love the finishes. This is a studio. The one bedrooms are taken. This is in Jumeirah Beach Village. And it has a balcony. Do you have any one bedrooms available to see?
No, so that's what they're all rented out.
They're all rented out, okay.
What I can do is again to understand layout wise and everything.
It's in a studio?
Inbuilt. So inbuilt's a fairly newer concept.
Ah.
So inbuilt fridges, inbuilt washing machines.
It comes with a washing machine?
Yeah, and obviously this is all also
Yeah,
inbuilt
yeah.
into the marble. So
No, this is really, really nice. This is really nice. This is just a pantry?
yeah, so this has what the gas meter.
Okay.
So all the billing or anything from the gas will go through that pipeline.
Yeah. And it's gas stove and gas.
Gas oven.
No microwave.
No.
Okay. You bring your own microwave. But I like this. This is luxury. You don't see this in a standard apartment. And that's the freezer on the bottom?
Yeah.
Oh, this is fire. This is nice. And then you got the balcony. So no dead space. Like you said. The closets are built in.
So again, imagine the US would close this off with no cupboards, and then you would have to put cupboard space in, which would again create a lot of dead space.
Exactly.
They push because the main wall is actually what you need. That's majorly what you need.
Exactly.
This is the main wall. I break this, it might cave. But using this, I was able to create an inbuilt fridge, and also using the wall behind this, I was able to create an inbuilt cupboard
Yeah.
with fair space.
Exactly. So this is definitely more than enough space for one person.
This is no space for a couple.
Yeah.
Which we have quite a few of actually.
So you would put your TV where?
So most people, there's like two ways that people look at studios living in India. One is you have your bed facing this side. So you have like a little defined space on your side. Bed here, side table on this side. You have your either a sofa. Or you have your TV here with a small dinette.
Okay. Yeah, I see it. A nice full-size bed. You can even do queen if you want, but full-size will give you more space.
And some people, what they try to do is they try to define spaces. They try to let everything blend in. So what they do is a bed big enough covering this entire thing. Very less entrance into this, but more light coming from behind you. Covers in. Have your TV this side. You keep boss stools instead of a dinette. And you have the lazy island to eat on.
Right here,
And then you have the like bean bags or something for comfy.
And then the fact that this is so big, it brings so much light, and the towel is light, it makes it feel bigger. Exactly. Now y'all good, y'all got this. This is really nice. Oh, I love this. Okay, how many elevators? Just one? Boarding like crazy. We just came from Egypt yesterday. Okay, so we're gonna do it like this. Okay, and this is a 2-bedroom.
A more closed kitchen. You have the
powder room. Okay. Okay, more because you got more cabinetry.
Yeah, so we have. This is a little more closed concept because there's something Indians like. So what they do is they either put a false wall here, so they close this area off.
Okay.
And it gives like a closed kitchen type of feeling.
Okay.
Or they have like a sliding door or something of the sort, which reserves the kitchen area into the kitchen. Which something people do like in Dubai, which is a closed kitchen concept.
Okay.
You have your hall, which is basically
so much bigger. Look how big this is. You could do a dining area here, and then this will be sectional. TV
cabinet or a TV whole wall.
This is nice. Let me see how big the balcony is. It's really big.
It's a connecting balcony from the hall to the bedroom.
To the bedroom. Oh, that's fire. Wow, this is nice. Look how big this is. You could do a whole bunch of outdoor furniture here. And it's covered too. It never rains here anyway.
Oh, you don't know about it?
I saw. I was messaging Pranav. I'm like, you guys are okay over there?
But yeah, so some people have the 2 chairs. Like they have like a small dinette here.
Yeah.
2 chairs and such. And then they have turf.
I saw the neighbor over there had turf on it. I saw that.
They have a little bit of turf for like kids.
And
because this is not going anywhere.
So
they're pretty much safe. So any kids about like 5-6 years, they're not falling over this.
Yeah, it's really high. It's really high. Yeah.
You're pretty much fine.
Yeah. I like this. Okay. This is big. So how much square feet is it?
1150.
1150. The way you guys utilize, this is big.
It's good. So then we have a connecting master bedroom here.
Okay. Full bathroom. So 2-bedroom comes with 3 baths, right?
Yeah. So 1, 2 with full equip.
Okay.
And 1
okay. So is this the master bedroom?
Yes.
It's a good size. You could fit a king in here. And it comes with the balcony. This is nice. This is very nice.
So triple cupboards, and then we have the big room here.
Yeah, this is a decent size. You could even put a king in here if you want. You could definitely do a bunk bed. No.
Definitely. So
Yeah.
because the ceiling height, you're also okay to put a bunk bed.
It's really high.
Like your bunk bed wouldn't go higher than this cover.
No.
So then you still have
A lot of space for them to stand on it if they want. Okay, this is good. I like there's no balcony in their room. I like that. Yeah, the kids' room.
So, I could actually show you more apartments which we have which are very good.
Okay.
Most of them I think sold on on the studios and 2 beds. Most of everything sold.
How much is this 2-bedroom?
This one, well, this one's sold. This one's sold or in process, I'm not sure.
Okay.
And here at the amenities.
This, okay.
Right? So, we go here, there's the gym, sitting area behind that.
Ooh, hello.
We have a pool.
Wow, this is nice.
We have obviously the
Play
sitting
area, yeah.
Play area.
Okay.
Now, what this is, below this is parking. Right, immediately under this. And I don't know if, I'm not sure if the US has this, if US has more basement parkings than podiums. So you're seeing in this one, so we have 3 floors of podium
Parking.
parkings. They have 4. That's why they go one higher than us.
Okay.
And right above that is the amenities. So you're seeing all the trees, all the area. So that's these are podium units.
Okay.
Now the major difference, I would say, I'll explain to you.
So their outdoor space is like on the other side of the amenities.
Yes.
That's okay.
So
The little terraces.
I wouldn't say much.
No?
You'll be surprised when you see this.
What is this? What size is this?
So we're entering the same layout as the one we saw on top.
2-bedroom?
Yes.
Okay.
But the major difference, you see the all the same size, the bedroom same size, same bathroom layouts, same master bedroom. Only difference, which is very major difference, is this.
Oh, this is a big difference. This is like
This is what?
this is like another apartment outside. Wait, the one unit has all of this?
Yes.
Why?
It says that basically villa living in an apartment style.
Wow. Of course, this is more expensive than the upstairs unit.
Definitely. Not too much of a difference. This is 1.35, the other one's 1.3.
It's like almost the same.
Yeah.
So you don't have the views as up there.
But you have
But
this
you
much
have
space.
you have an outdoor. You can actually throw a party out
Exactly.
here.
Now that's where your Airbnb mindset comes into play.
yeah.
This unit sold, but we have one more which is about 2,500 square feet.
Okay. Well, how many square feet is this?
This
11.
This one, including all of this, is 2,000.
Okay. Okay.
That one's bigger because this one sold, the next one sold. I'll show you the other price then.
Okay.
But they all have water outlets. They all have massive space. So what you could have as a Airbnb for a location-wise is you could make your Airbnb the location.
Yeah.
So you could have a jacuzzi, or you could have like a hot tub, you could have
Grill outside.
gazebos,
Yeah.
you could have coverings.
Yeah.
You could, so many people in Dubai are Indians, Pakistanis, so they like cricket.
Yeah.
You connect this patch with turf.
Yeah.
It's a cricket patch or
Yeah.
baseball patch.
Bowling.
Patch. You could put
That's
in
fire.
You could put in salt tables.
Wow. This is really nice.
So it depends on how much you want to invest.
Yeah.
You could make your Airbnb as a location.
Desirable.
So
Yeah.
it becomes like instead of going off from here, from there I don't know if you can probably see it. You actually go to the amenities area and see it. So that's 5. Just behind
Oh, it is?
behind
I didn't see it. Okay.
No, we'll go see it.
So instead of going there, you could just create the whole vibe here.
Here, and you could have many more people come in.
Exactly. Wow, this is nice. And this is called a podium. We don't have this in the US, by the way. Never heard of this over there. So this is called a podium unit, you said?
Podium units.
Why is it called podium?
Because we're at the podium floor, which connects the amenities.
Podium means like ground floor. Is that what that means?
Podium is not ground. It's just above ground.
Okay,
So
okay.
How people say mezzanine?
Mezzanine, yeah.
Yeah, mezzanine. So people say mezzanine. We say we have this as a podium. This would be a mezzanine, and then you have the actual units going up.
Okay, I get it.
The floor plan on the above floors has 9 units. It will go from 01 to 09. But over here, it's only till 06.
Because they're so big.
Exactly.
And each unit on this floor has that same size house door.
Similar. So we can see one more actually.
The corner units are usually bigger, right?
Usually,
Yeah.
But also depends on how much dead space they have.
Okay.
So this one doesn't have that much area to put in dead space.
Okay.
So their balcony is small. The terrace is smaller.
This is not a corner, or it is?
This is the one.
I love this. What is your name?
Tejasvar.
We didn't even exchange names. I'm Miriam.
Miriam.
Tejasvar?
Tejasvar.
Tejasvar.
Yeah.
Tejasvar. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is not as big.
Yeah, so it doesn't have the alley,
Wrap around, yeah.
but it has.
But this is really nice. Yeah. It's bigger than the living room.
Yeah,
it is. It's double the size. Yeah.
And again, connecting to the kids' room.
Wow. No, this is not sold yet.
This was also sold, but we have one more.
They're also okay.
We have, so this one. So this
is a corner unit.
Yes.
So you got the 180 view. Is it 180? Oh, I love this.
So now this one is 1,500 square feet. The one that I'm talking to you.
The one we just saw was 2,000.
2,000.
Okay.
So the one I was talking about actually. So you have with this one with windows. You have this bedroom also with windows, big ones.
So wait, did we just go in the kids' room or the master bedroom?
So usually the master in Dubai is the one which has the bright washroom.
So this is considered the master. The kids got the balcony?
Yeah.
I like this though. This is really, really nice. Oh my god. Well. So how much is this?
This one went for about 1.3
dirham. So a little bit over 400,000.
And this one went for 1.3 because while we're not giving the views on top, we're giving space on the bottom.
It's like you have two apartments. It really is.
So we have an Italian who bought the other one, and he's literally planned to create his own shed and have his tools, have his man space.
Yes, his like man. What do they call man cave?
Man cave. Yeah.
Yeah.
They have. He's already decided that he wants to make a man cave.
Okay. And you guys renovated all this interior. Interior, you guys
not the floors.
Not the floors.
So the walls, the lighting.
Okay.
Obviously, we're gonna change the lighting. This is pending renovation.
Okay.
We don't change the essence of the apartment. We just make sure that it doesn't look old.
Yeah.
So even
update the quality of it. Okay.
Update the quality. So the unit that I'm talking about is this one, 101.
Sold.
Rented. It's not sold yet.
So you can rent too. You guys are not just selling; you're renting too.
So when we got this building in our hand,
well, the old tenants.
Yeah, there are some of the old tenants. So this one is going to leave in June.
Of next year. So 5 is like the monument in this area.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the corner unit on that side.
Oh, you see straight. No obstructed views.
And there's no construction because there's roads in between.
So
there's no construction coming in between to stop the view.
That's good.
So
That's good.
have from that corner unit. So I have 2 1-bedrooms which are both corner units. So you have windows, you have light, you have space, and major difference. This one is a corner unit, 770 square feet.
Okay.
That one's also a corner unit, 1,025,000. It's much bigger. Take the best of both worlds. Take a 1-bedroom with this extra space.
Yeah.
And then make it like a location.
Yeah, definitely. It's partially covered. Yeah, this is the Podium Unit. This is a 1-bedroom unit balcony. This is just the outdoor space. And it comes with 3 bathrooms. The 2-bedroom? I thought it comes the powder. Oh, 1 bedroom. 2 bathrooms. Powder room and the full bathroom. Yeah. I really love this. This is nice. Look at what the decorations they did on the corner.
That's a Indian restaurant again.
Okay.
Then you have a butchery. You have a pharmacy. Again, another pharmacy on that side. You have a basically all meat exclusive restaurant. So you don't have pork here.
Okay.
Because it's Muslim country.
Yeah.
You have beef. You have the chicken. You have.
Yeah.
To certain extents, I don't know how much in these because this is a very international space.
Yeah, so I just got a tour of a beautiful building. I can't even talk. Y'all, I just got a tour of a beautiful building in JVC. I saw 2-bedroom units, 1-bedroom units. And they got something in Dubai called Podium Unit. Just really excited. So I'm just walking the area. A lot of construction going on. This is really exciting, y'all. A lot of construction going on. This is a new mall that they're building. Not done yet. Hair salon. Smells good. Whatever restaurant is here.